Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I thought I would show you the unboxing of my 4K camcorder that I am currently using and probably will only use, although I hope to test it in the future for other reasons, uses, not reasons, for filming my gaming videos. So, let's go! So here is the box that it was delivered in. A bit small, which I wasn't expecting, but I like it. It contains a user manual and a camcorder cover, which actually has the camcorder inside. You can zoom, take photos, and it has a hot shoe with a cover for protection, a strap, a place for the memory card and battery, and a hole for screwing onto tripods, a record button, and inputs for a microphone, a micro HDMI cable, USB port. On opening, a touchscreen and buttons which are labelled for ease. It also comes with a remote control for the camcorder, a spare battery, which also has an arrow showing which way it should be placed into the camcorder. Absolutely love it. A microphone plus a user manual for the microphone, which is a huge bonus. A two-pronged USB plug, a UK USB plug, a lens cap for the camcorder, which I have a small feeling will be invaluable, and finally, the USB lead. I really like how everything inside has had its own individual packaging, but I would have preferred less or no plastic. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if there's anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!